Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome you guys back to Dr. Ray's class. Now, I want us to work together on this problem that was brought me by one of my private learners. I said, okay, I'm going to share the idea on how we solve this problem with everyone. So now let's look at this. This is a displacement time graph of a wave. This is the exact drawing given in the question, and we are asked to find out some values. That if the speed of the wave in the medium is 1.5 meters per second, we are to calculate the first period, second frequency, third wavelength, and fourth amplitude of the wave. We are going to answer all these questions using information from this graph and the value of the speed of the wave in the medium. Now, to answer such question, I'm going to start this way. Write out the speed of the wave given to you, 1.5 meters per second, so that you can use it where necessary. Now, there's no rule that says you must find A, B, C, D in order. Anyone that comes easier for you to find first, go ahead and find it. Now, let's start with A. We're asked to find the period. The symbol for period is capital T. There are different things you can do from here. Now let's go back to the graph. The first thing is, what is the meaning of period? Period is the time it took that wave to complete one cycle or one oscillation. Now, do you know how to trace one cycle? This is it. You start from the origin of the wave. Like this is half of the wave. Like this is another half cycle of the wave. So that means from this origin, go this way, and back here is one cycle. Look at on this graph, what time is written here? 0.2. So that means 0.2 seconds is the time required by the wave to complete one cycle. Another method you can use is the formula that says period is time of the wave divided by number of cycles made by the wave. How can you do this if you want to use this medium? Go to the graph again. The wave started from here, this way, and stopped here. What's the total time the wave spent traveling? 0.5 seconds. Divided by the number of cycles made by the wave. How do you trace number of cycles? From this graph, from here to this place is one cycle. Again, from here to this place is another cycle. Then from here to here is half a cycle. So that means 2 cycles and a half. That means 2.5 cycles. What do you do? 0.5 divided by 2.5. The answer is 0.2 seconds. You see, the same thing you got by just simply tracing the time the wave used to complete one cycle. So any of the methods will solve. Now, the second question says frequency. Frequency, the symbol is small f, and the formula is 1 over period. Since our period is 0.2, just divide 1 with 0.2. So 1 divided by 0.2, that is 5 hertz. That is the frequency. Now, how do we get wavelength? Wavelength is lambda. It is gotten by frequency, speed rather, divided by frequency. We have speed as 1.5, frequency is 5. That means wavelength should be 1.5 divided by 5. And the answer is 0.3 meters. Now the last thing we are to find here is amplitude. Amplitude. Depending on the book you are using, let me use the symbol here, capital A. You don't need to calculate anything. All you need to do is go to the graph again. Amplitude is maximum displacement of the wave. You see, from the origin, the wave either goes up or goes down, above or below the rest point. What was the maximum upward movement the wave made? 0.5. What was the maximum downward movement the wave made? 0.5. And that is the amplitude. That maximum displacement above or below the equilibrium position. And this is how you simply go about solving all these problems from the graph. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something from this video.